It is theme focus time here at Websites for Beginners. And though there are literally tens of thousands of themes to choose from, we just choose every week one or two to look at so that you can have an idea of easy to use themes out there ready to go. Today's theme is Eventco, and this comes from the developers over at Themeum. We have done a few of their themes already here and their page builder, WP page builder, and that is what makes their themes very strong. So let's go over to the themes and the link to this website included in the description below. We did Rhino before, and today we're looking at the latest release, Eventco, which was released on December the 3rd. So we hop in over there. And before we go down the page, I'll give you a quick rundown of the things that I like about this theme. Of course, it includes the WP Page Builder, which is a great bonus. But it also comes with 3 of their own custom post types that allow you to create for events, create speakers, and also a photo gallery. And these work very nicely because within the WP Page Builder, they have created widgets specifically for those post types that draw the data from them and display it on the front end. They also included an event calendar, which I will show you in a short while. And then there are also 7 home pages for various kinds of events that you can choose from. Or, of course, you can choose anyone and style it to your heart's content. So here we go, have a quick look at what's on the site, the fully fledged event WordPress theme to manage meetups and events of any type. And this goes for conferences, expos, live gigs, and then the 7 home variations that you can have a look at, different fields for them. And then the multi-event ready, and these are very nice widgets that are brought in. We'll look at that when we go into the page builder. Schedules and speakers, again, this is for the custom post types that have been created in it. And then there's a template included within the pages for an event calendar that will display like this. And you can also sell your stuff online because it's WooCommerce ready. Lately, I'm trying to say woo because I always hear I say WooCommerce. I keep on missing the W. WooCommerce. So WooCommerce is included. And then, of course, the WP Page Builder, which I have mentioned, and then the page layouts that come with this as well. Many other features that you can take note of, the integration with MailChimp, and then also Google Maps. So this makes the theme a really good to go theme, only at $55 US, includes all of those features. This is a really, really good price for everything that comes with this theme. And then if you want to go for something bigger, you can get all their themes. You see 19 of them included. And at this rate, they are releasing once a week and every 1 to 2 weeks. I've counted about 5 themes in the last 5 weeks. So they are really pushing out a lot of themes. And if you use the WP Page Builder, you get even additional layouts within that. And that is included here in the All Plugins bundle. So you can go for them for an annual subscription if you so like. Before we go ahead and purchase it, the question is, who is this theme for? Of course, a theme is always a ready-made product, is something easy to go. So it's for people who want to save a lot of time on developing a website. And I would say if you are into music, gigs, and you want to have like an event calendar for your band, definitely you're going to find this useful. If you're running a small conference and you just want to promote that conference for the day with a speaker lineup, you will see this will be a very nice theme to use for it. Talent shows, lineups, any speaking multi-speaker event, dog shows, dog and pony shows, yes, book club, meetups, all of them will benefit from having a theme like this that gives you an event calendar, that gives you those custom post types for events and speakers, and also portfolios to display things. Let's go ahead and purchase it, and then you will download the zip file. And that brings us to the installation. Hopping back into our WordPress, and this is WordPress 5 already running. It is a clean install. I'm running it from ServerPress, and just to show you what's going on here, I have removed all the posts, I have removed all the pages, and currently it is set on this theme, which is the new 2019 that comes with WordPress 5. There is really nothing in here. Plugins is also empty, and that will bring us now to uploading the theme from Themeum, which is today's theme, Eventco. In my downloads folder, I will get this zip file over here that says unzip first, Eventco, and then you unzip it, it will give you this folder. click into it, and then you will see there's quite a number of folders in here. The ones that you are going to be working with is the theme pack, and then later on the mega menu theme, another feature that comes with this theme. Inside the theme pack, you will see here is the file that you need to upload to your WordPress. These ones that are not zipped are for those guys who like to do things manually, and these two with the child theme included, you can do directly in WordPress. I'm not going to be using the child theme, no need for that during this review, just going to go for the Eventco. So let's go back and let's go to themes and then say add new. And then bring in over here, upload theme, come back, bring in my Explorer, and I'm going to drag it and drop it on choose file and then say install now. And that was a very quick one. Let's go and activate it. Once you have activated it, the next step will be to follow everything that these guys are telling you up here. This theme requires the following plugins: Eventco Core, WP Page Builder Pro, WP Page Builder, and WooCommerce. And this theme recommends the following plugins. There's a number of those additional third-party plugins. So what we are going to do is that we are going to go ahead and we're going to install them by saying here, begin installing plugins. And that makes it very easy. It will give you this list. And for thoroughness, we are going to select them all and then bulk actions, install, and say apply. And this will run through the installation of all these plugins. Don't be concerned about the warning signs you see here on my site. They've been installed successfully. So you scroll down to the bottom and then it will say return to required plugin installer. And this will make it easy. It will take you back to the plugins because they've been installed like usual, but they've not been activated. So let's click them all, bulk actions, and we say activate them, buddy, and say apply. And then boom, boom, they have all been applied and activated. After refreshing the page, you will see that you also need to run all these installers for WooCommerce. I'm not going to do that, but I would say the next thing you would probably need to do is go and consider entering your license for your theme, because the license will allow you for future updates. You go down here on the left panel to Eventco options, and then you will click on license. We will work without the license, but if you want to have future updates, you definitely will need to enter the license over here. That will allow you to get all the upgrades and make sure that your theme is running nice and smoothly. Going to close these things like the MailChimp integration and all the other things they want me to take care of. We're just having a quick look at how things are working. Now we have installed the theme. So let's go and look at appearance to confirm that we have installed it. The theme has been installed. We have installed the plugins. We have activated the plugins. We've entered the license. And the next thing will be to go for a one-click demo install. This is a very nice feature. Again, on the left panel, go down to the bottom, click on one-click demo install. And from here, you have one demo to choose from, and all you need to do is click on import demo. Depending on the size of the images and all the files that need to come in, this may take some time. So like I always say, my advice is go do something, go do your laundry, go wash your car, make a cup of tea, and then come back and the demo content should be in. So let's go ahead, click on import demo and say, okay. Once it is imported, it will say imported, like you can see. If it keeps on going like that forever, you just click on Save Changes and you will see whether it has imported or not. Next step is to go and set your menu. I like what this theme does. It creates a menu for you already. Go to your left panel under Appearance, go to Menus and click on Menus, and you will notice that it has already created this mega menu or major menu structure. Go to Manage Locations up here and just confirm that everything is set up here and this is correct, nothing that you have to change here. With this Eventco theme comes the WP mega menu from Themeum. And this allows you to build up a mega menu. And you need to also bring in a theme skin for this WP mega menu. Go to the left and then click on WP mega menu, and you will see here is all the settings for that. And under that, you will see themes. And this is where you will have to bring in. Again, go to the folder that you had downloaded earlier. And I told you that if you go to the unzipped file, you'll be using this theme pack, and you will be using this one called Mega Menu Theme. Click on it, grab the Eventco theme, drag and drop it there, and says import the theme. And there you see it appears with these other theme skins that will be working with the Mega Menu. Now go back to Appearance, Menus, and then you will notice up here it will say Mega Menu Settings. The first thing you're going to do is enable it, and you're going to choose the Eventco theme and say Save. And then I'm just going to save my main menu as well. Following this is the normal thing we do in WordPress. We have to go set up our static pages all the way down to Settings, Reading, and then a static page for home page. We are going to select a home page. You can choose any of these home pages. We're just going to go with this one. And then for the post pages, you will also have quite a number to choose from, which they've made. Let's go for blog grid post. You can choose any of those to set for your post pages and your home pages. And then finally, the last step would be the permalinks. Again, go to Settings, under Settings for permalinks. And under permalinks, we're going to choose this post name and scroll down, Save Changes. And this is everything with the installation. Now we are ready to go. Let's discuss quickly a few main features that come with this Eventco theme. The first one here is the WP page builder that you will see here in the bottom left-hand corner. This is a page builder, fully fledged functional page builder by Themeum that works with WordPress, and it is included the pro version for free with this theme. Very nice. We're going to look at that builder also shortly. The other one I want to focus on are the 3 custom post types that come in here. Up here you will see there's a post type for events that allows you to add events, for speakers, and then also photo gallery. So if we have a look at the all events, you will see they've already brought in a number of events. And if you were to click on one of them, like this orchestra and ensembles concert, you can see there's a description. There is the event information. It is quite comprehensive. Event speakers information, and then you can add more. So it allows you to have as many information and speakers as you want. There's gallery items that you can add here, as well as sponsors. So if you want to bring in the sponsors and their logos, you add it over here. This is very thorough events custom post type. And then the next one will be the speakers. So let's go have a look at what you can add under speakers. Let's choose Ahmet Dolorev. And here you have your featured image. You can also, of course, set up the categories for which kind of conference this will be, description, and then speaker information, and then speaker session information. Very important and very nicely done again. And you can add more sessions here if you want, as well as social media links for that speaker. Under your photo gallery, this is a very typical gallery. So you just set up your gallery in here, and then you will be using it to bring it into your pages. Now we've seen a lot of stuff on this side. Let's go have a look at how this site actually looks. And this is the great thing. We've done actually so little, but so much has happened. If I go and visit the site, it will load this theme. Immediately I'm attracted to this site. I just like this header. It does it well. And just notice this very nice countdown timer that you have over here, especially developed just for this theme. If we scroll down, you can have an idea of how it looks. It's very colorful. Many of these colors are regulated by the customizer of the theme. Others you can do within the page builder. And many of these displays that you are currently seeing are widgets made especially just for this theme that you can use within the WP page builder. Here are sponsors and then other interesting things over here. Let's have a look at another few features of this theme that makes it stand out, and that's probably the events calendar. This is a template that comes with it. So the events calendar isn't a widget, it isn't a plugin, it is a template. It displays a calendar, so when you activate this template, it will draw all the information from your events post types and display it here. Speakers. Let's have a look at what will happen over at Speakers. Speakers are displayed through an add-on that comes within the WP Page Builder, allowing for you, again, to draw the data from the speaker post type, the one that we had looked at earlier. And the last one we will be looking over here is the schedule. Let's have a look at this one over here. And this will give you a tab format of how you want to display your schedules. This can be edited within the WP Page Builder. Let's do that next and go look at basic editing within this theme. Whenever you are within a page and you see up here it says edit with WP Page Builder, it means that most of what you see on that page has been created with WP Page Builder. If I scroll down and I click within this section here, it will load here, THM, which is Theme Schedule tab. Let's just have a look at what the normal add-ons look. And if you want to know more about WP Page Builder, follow the links to tutorial videos on that here within this channel in the description below. But like any other page builder, it brings in all these add-ons, widgets, elements that you can be using within your page builder. And these are all native to this theme and page builder. They are all made by the same people, that is Themeum, so they all play very nicely together. These are default add-ons, and this is actually included in the free version of WP Page Builder. Then under that, you will see Eventco widgets. Now this is very interesting. What the guys have done is that they've made special widgets just for this theme. And these are the widgets that will be drawing that information from the events and the speakers and the galleries. Under that, you will see there's two under the Pro add-ons. These are additional add-ons that they are releasing just for the WP Page Builder Pro version. And then there are the WordPress widgets. So most of the ones that you will see in this demo content come from these widgets here because they have been specially created just for Eventco. This one here, if you click on it, is then the Theme Schedule tab. There's not much you can do with it here. It's only a widget that draws the information into the page builder. Cleverly done. It's something in the old days that we would have used in templates and themes, but they have incorporated it into their page builder. The only options that you do have is that you can select different schedules over here from your events that you have logged in your post type. Under that, you can select the styles. So currently, this is how our tab is displaying. It's style 1. If I click onto style 2, you have it here on the left, which I actually like a lot. Now, as I'm clicking here, you will see this one remains pink, but that is just how it is displaying in the page builder. So if you are worried about that, just click Save here at the bottom left and then click on View to see how it will display on the front end. And here you will see that everything displays normally. And if I click here, it loads those different days. Let's go back to the page builder. And then there's other styles. Style 3, very similar to style 1, and then style 4. I like this style 4 as well. It's up here just without any selection over it. Looking again then at the Eventco widgets that are included is you have an Eventco title. It's a special title display just for this theme. Then you have that events countdown, the one that I had showed you earlier, very nicely colorful countdown. Let's drag it in here just so we can have a look at it and drop it over there. And then at this moment, you don't see the colors because it's all white. So we go to Style and we can choose our color here. And then from here, the digit color, let's choose another color like that. Where's my blue? Let's make it blue. And then let's just go and view it on the front, because maybe it's not displaying well here. And that's what I will say. Some of these do not display properly in the page builder, but on the front end, they're okay. Scroll down, there you see. Right, so something that could probably be improved in the page builder. Not sure why they are not loading there, but they do load on the front end. Back-end, front-end, it's a front-end editor. So confusing, right? Let's have a look at the last few add-ons that comes with Eventco. It's a schedule tab, speaker list. We saw the speakers, upcoming events, previous event, and current events, and then the photo gallery and Eventco sponsors. Very nicely that they've integrated it like this. I hope that there could be a few more features in styling these, but at this moment, very nice and working very well with this Themeco add-on. Let's go have a look at the customizer, so you just have an idea that certain things need to be changed within the Eventco customizer. Here, you will find the normal WordPress customization going on, including for the WooCommerce. Under Eventco options, this is where you will find a lot of your styling options. So, for example, if you go to layout and styling, your colors for many of your accents and your main areas will be determined by these colors over here. So if I had, for example, this one that we had just looked at, this will be your major color. So if I'm going to go in and change my major color, it will update to the color over here in your customizer. And that's a wrap. Let's go talk about what we like and a few things that we think could maybe use a little bit of improvement on this site. This is a fully functional theme. It covers everything that you may need for a conference, events, gigs, or any other kind of schedules that you may need to set up a calendar or a scheduling system for. It includes WP Page Builder, so you get full control over how you want this site to look. It integrates very well with WooCommerce and MailChimp. And if you go for the club deal with Themeum, and let's just have a look at that club deal, that is one sweet deal. You get so many things included with this. The things that I would nitpicky is probably the lack of styling options for the Eventco widgets. I would have liked to had a little bit more flexibility over the size, for example, of these fonts, how big they display. Could I have made it smaller? That would have been something that I would have liked to have a little bit more control over. Final thoughts on Eventco. It's a ready-to-go theme. I really enjoyed working with it. I find it's full of surprises. You know, the first time I worked with WP Page Builder, and now they're bringing in these add-ons and custom post types just for their specific themes. It makes it very difficult to choose a specific product from Themeum because everything integrates. You get their mega menu, you get their crowdfunding plugin, you get their page builder, you get their themes, and then they go and they develop all of that together into their themes. That makes it very nicely integrated and you get a very coherent system. So excellent page builder included, excellent add-ons, and a great theme if you need to set up a conference website for an upcoming event. This is JP with Websites for Beginners with our theme focus.